Alright, so we're here at the roofing job, and roofers aren't here today because it's raining, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and run the magnet around here and make sure no nails in the driveway. That way nobody gets a flat tire, because the homeowners still live here, so I don't want them complaining they got a flat tire. So we're gonna go ahead and run the magnet. Like, see, like, there's a nail there, there's another one, all throughout this whole driveway. And set you guys up, you guys can watch that. And after that, we'll be heading back to the shop, and I don't know if we're gonna get a video of that or not. Chicken bone right there, or a rib. There's some sort of bone right there. Like, that's ridiculous. Like, you can pick up your trash, you know what I'm saying? This is what I picked up in my hand, because the magnet didn't pick those up for whatever reason. Let's see what the magnet got. Yeah, got some stuff. There's nothing left on the bottom of it. Nice. Alright, so what we're gonna try and do is I'm gonna move that wood planer, edge planer, I guess. I'm gonna put that over there. All that drywall and stuff's gonna go over there. Probably just gonna lean the wood up over there too. Oh, I gotta figure something out to do with the sawhorses. Then just kind of clean up all this stuff, making room. And that's gonna go just right there for a little bit. And then after that, we're gonna see what we can do. If I get all that done, we're gonna see about making some space over here so I can get the machine back over here. This is where the machine's supposed to go. It's over here. But I can't have the machine here because I need to get that down. We're taking that down. So I gotta figure out what I want to do. Alright, so we're making some pretty good progress here. I know it doesn't look like much has been done, but trust me, it has. I know what's going on here. So, and that's all that really matters. As long as I know what's going on, it's all that matters. So for right now, I'm trying to sweep up. I got this pile. I gotta find a dustpan. I've been looking around here for like 10 minutes, have not found one yet. And I edited that out of the video, the time lapse for you. So it's pretty boring. But I have not found one. I looked in the office too, and my next bet is to go home. And I really don't want to do that, so we're going to look around a little bit longer, I guess, but we're going to see what we can find. Most of this stuff is going to get piled on this side of the grate. I'm going to leave enough room for a walkway, and I'm going to move all this stuff too. All this stuff's going to go over there until we can get time to sort through it. But for right now, I just kind of want to get it cleaned up a little bit more. I'll take the machine out. I'm going to put that up there. And I was going to put... I'll show you guys real quick. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's definitely been like oil and stuff that's been spilled up here. And when I was up there sweeping, whoa, still dusty. When I was up there sweeping it off earlier, it was like really weak. And I mean, there's no supports underneath of it either. All right, there's no supports under there. So I was gonna take those pieces of strapping that I had, those pieces over there. I was gonna cut them down to this length. It's 36 and 5/8. I'm gonna cut them down and put them across long ways underneath where that heater is, but I can cut that piece of plywood to go up there, but I don't want to do that without my dad knowing. Because if I do it without him knowing, he'll probably flip his shit. I'm not trying to get yelled at today. I mean, I'm gonna get yelled at either way, but the less you get yelled at, the better, you know. I'm still cannot find this freaking dustpan. I have no clue where it went. No clue. But yeah, what's next is I'm gonna get that piled up. I'm gonna start moving stuff back over there. This area is gonna get cleaned up, and then the machine's gonna go out. I'm gonna clean all this up, move that stuff over, clean up right there. I'll move stuff back over then, I guess, probably. And then I'll start working on the other bay. Or I'll be done. Depends what time it is. So, alright. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the machine out. I'm going to go get the pallet forks, put a pallet on there. Going to put that on the pallet, throw it up there. Might put those tires on that pallet and throw it up there too. Not positive. But that's definitely going up there for sure. I probably won't put the tires up there, but I might. Depends how much that thing's bowing down right there. If it's bowing down a lot, I won't do it. If it's not bowing down too much, I won't worry about it. So I have a tripod. Don't have anything I can like really hook you guys onto the machine with. So you guys are gonna sit at like my I don't know, like seat level, I guess. And yeah, we'll see how it comes out, man. Alright, so put that up there. I was gonna set it over here, but I put this up here and I like put my foot on this on the center area, and it was just like, I'm pretty sure if I would have put all my weight on that board, it would have fell through. It was not holding very much. I mean, there's no center support here though or anything, so it doesn't have a lot to support it. But so I put it over here. There's a support beam right here, and this wood's a lot better. I don't know if I showed you that or not, but there's stuff underneath where it's all wet and stuff and rotting the wood. That's hydraulic fluid on the floor to get some stuff on that. And I'll sweep out the bay and put the machine back in. I think I'll be done for the day. It's getting kind of late, and then I don't know. We'll see you the next time I post. So it doesn't look like that much done, or that it just looks like I moved everything into one place, which is kind of true. But I now know where everything can go, and I can kind of get it there, you know. Like, that's probably going to stay there because I think we're going to pull that out in like probably a few weeks. Those go to the electrical section. That goes over to the concrete stuff. That stuff has to be sorted through. I'm not too sure what's in that box. I forget. Like, that box of rag goes over there. That stuff goes down to the concrete section. That stuff goes over there. That stuff goes into the painting section. This kind of stays out here. I think I'm going to put this toilet on a pallet because we have another one outside in the yard. Probably put that on a pallet and put the other one on the same pallet and get them out there, cover them up with the tarp. Like, that wood goes up there. That wood goes up there. Kind of just allows me to see what needs to be done, you know. So I got everything where I need it to be to get in here, work in here. I could pull the truck in here and we could work on the truck or whatever, so yeah. Subscribe. Alright, so we're here at the roofing job, and the roofers aren't here today because it's raining, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and run the magnet around here and make sure no nails in the driveway. That way nobody gets a flat tire, because the homeowners still live here, so I don't want them complaining they got a flat tire. So we're gonna go ahead and run the magnet, and like, see, like, there's a nail there, there's another one, all throughout this whole driveway. And set you guys up, you guys can watch that, and after that we'll be heading back to the shop. And I don't know if we're gonna get a video of that or not. Chicken bone right there, or a rib, there's some sort of bone right there. That's ridiculous. Like, you pick up your trash, you know what I'm saying?